Alright guys, Broken Soul Panel here. For the siren test, I just want to show you the new setup. Right now it's the night before the siren test, and I just want to show you the old audio switcher I made so I can switch between the PBM10 and the Melodix. I got a switch here that I can switch between the two. See, it's on Melodix mode now. Now it's on PBM10 mode. And then I got this switch over here which I can switch between the main speakers or a test speaker that I can hook up to the other connector on the back of this switcher here that I can connect like one of these speakers to, but I'd rather just use like a regular speaker. So at some point I'll probably order a speaker on eBay I can put there and connect to this. I can switch it over to the main speaker over there. And here's all the titles I'll be continuing until until the end of the siren test here. So here's the one we already did, Mandarin Flower, the rinxlen medley version. We got Home on the Range, the Chime Station version. We got Love is Blue, the Unipex version I found on YouTube, although it's actually just a synth, and I shortened it down by cropping it down to 1 minute. We got Green Sleeves, the Chime Station version, and Nanatsuko, the Chime Station version. All these have a 1 minute delay set, so I can push the button in 9:58 and be out there before 9:59 so I can catch the whole chime without having to run back up around the stairs and everything. Over here, these 5 don't have 1 minute delays, they have 2-second delays instead, because these are just mostly for test purposes. This is the Edelweiss, it's like a bell tying kind of thing, the Firefly Light / Auld Lang Syne chime from the KTK5S, Ode to Joy from the KTK5S, the Westminster chime I had recorded from my ML304B here, just in case I want to compare the volume settings and tune the Melodix's volume so it's the same as the PBM10, and then the KTK5S home road. And then there's a reset button here. I can abort a chime if I want to, or reset the PBM10 if it's malfunctioning. I have the USB port on the front here so I can add or subtract or change files I have on here. These are all written in dry erase markers so I can erase them and write new names on them if I want to. It's the same with the old stickers up here. I can erase them if I want to put something else, a different speaker or device on here. As you can tell, it's still missing the top part, and also you can tell how simple it is in there, just some switches and wires. The 3D printer is still printing it, and by how close it's done to being finished, it'll probably be done before the next siren test tomorrow. So when this is shown right before the next siren test, it should have the top cover on it. The PBM10 does not have a timer connection, so I can't program a timer with this like I could do with the Melodix ML304B if I had such a timer, which I don't right now. And the PBM10 also doesn't have a relay, so I have to turn the amplifier on manually before using the PBM10. Unlike with the Melodix, I can leave the power button on this amplifier turned off and just start a chime right here, and the amplifier will automatically turn on when the chime is activated, and it will turn off once the chime is either aborted or finished. So yeah, I'll see you once the sirens are ready to test.
The next day.
siren's gone for more than 3 minutes. It's gone for 4 minutes now. What's going on here? Not sure I'm gonna have time to do my outro. Nope, I got 5 seconds left. That was me, beside me, Sam, playing Home on Range. That was me, Thunderbolt, doing a 3-minute over the 4-5 pork chopper. The end. The heck? PBM 10 just reset when I turn the amplifier on. Push reset once more and try again.